Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to resize a Canva design for free. Even without a pro account, there are simple ways to adjust your design to fit different sizes and formats. Let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, if you want to resize a design without using the premium feature, you will notice that resizing is only available for premium users. So here is what we do instead. Click on File, then click Create New Design. From here, we can set the size we want. For example, if our previous design was 1920 pixels and we want to switch to A4 size, we simply select A4 from the list and click on it. As you can see, we are now working with the A4 size. There are plenty of other sizes available here too, so pick whichever fits your needs. Now that we have our new page, all we need to do is copy everything from the original design. Press Ctrl A to select all the elements, then press Ctrl C to copy them. Next, we go to the new page, then right-click and select Paste. This will bring all the elements from the old design into the new one. And that is how we resize a Canva design for free, no pro account needed.